Mistia!
It's been a long time that
Yes.
we've never accessed in YouTube, but now today we are here. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, so today's video we are going to talk about zoo animals. Yes, but for these animals we rarely seen this animal in
at the zoo, yeah.
Yes. Why?
Why?
Because
our weather is not good for this animal.
why,
today.
Mistia?
Because this animal likes to live in the cold
Ooh.
environment.
Do you mean like they like to live in the snow?
Yes, yes.
Wow.
That's live in the ice, I think.
In the sea or in
Yeah.
land?
In the sea, in the land that covered with ice.
Oh wow, it means like sea ice.
Yes.
Wow.
And do you know the animals is really big, Miss Steph?
Oh wow.
This is the biggest animals in the that kind.
Okay. Can you guess what animal is that?
What kind of
It's
animal?
big. It's the largest species on the planet.
Yes.
Okay, not dinosaur, okay? Because dinosaurs are extinct.
Yes.
Oh.
Live in the ice.
Yes, and the color is bright.
Right.
Bright. Okay. Can you guess? Yay! If you guess, it's a polar bear. And
Polar
you are
bear.
right.
Ooh.
Oh, okay, so now Miss Stephanie and Miss Tia, we are going to explain a little bit, and we're gonna share with you a little fact about the polar bear.
Polar bear. And polar bear is the biggest bear in the kind of bear.
Wow.
Okay.
It means the biggest.
Yes, the biggest. So, it bigger than the
Grizzly
bear or other bears. This
Wow.
is the biggest bear.
Okay, you have to remember, polar bear is the largest or the biggest
Huge.
bear in this planet. Okay. And secondly, polar bear can smell the. Oh, before we talk about that,
Yes.
I want to explain about what is polar bear favorite food.
Yes.
What is that?
I think it's seal.
Seal.
Seal?
Yes.
Is polar bear is carnivore.
Yes. Polar bear is a carnivore. That's why polar bear likes to eat
Meat.
meat. So actually, polar bear can smell the seal or any other animals up to 10 miles away. Okay, 10 miles away is really far distance.
It's so far.
Yes, it is. It is.
But
And
it can smell you. I can smell seal.
from far away.
Yes.
Okay, so it means polar bear is one of the animal who has excellent sense of smell.
Whoa!
Wow, so strong, like a dog, like a
Oh,
dog,
yeah,
like a
yeah.
dog. Wow. And what's next?
Okay.
The fact.
And then this is the funny fact that I just know with Miss Stephanie.
What is that?
The color of polar bear fur is not white actually.
Oh, it's not white
Yes, it's not white. It's transparent,
or clear.
clear.
It means there is no color.
There is no color.
No.
But we can see the polar bear is just white because surrounding of the eyes. The eyes color is white, and then
And then there is a light.
light, and then reflect to the body of the polar bear.
And then next, because polar bear is the biggest bear, so of course the fur and the fat are so thick, so thick.
So thick.
That's why this animal can live in a cold weather, because the fur and the fat is super thick, so it keeps their
Survivor.
warm and survive in the cold weather.
Wow. And then the polar bear can running so fast, Miss Steph, and a good swimmer.
Super.
Yes.
Wow.
It can run.
Really fast and
Yes.
polar
And
bear
it
can swim.
swim.
And if you wonder where you can find polar bears, so of course their habitat is in the Arctic. Arctic is the place which is covered with a lot of ice,
Yes.
with snow. Arctic. Okay, so the habitat the habitat of polar bear is in the Arctic.
Arctic. Okay. We talk about how big is our polar bear, but do you know, Miss Steph, how much
Babies.
the weight of the polar bear?
The weight,
Yes.
I can guess it around 500 kilograms.
Oh, it's so big.
It's so big, and you know what? Like for females polar bear, their weight it could be like 300 kilograms.
Oh,
And for the
then
males,
the male is 500.
700.
700.
700. So it's super heavy.
Heavy.
And when polar bear gives birth,
Gives birth.
usually they only give birth
One.
two.
Oh, two.
Two. And
Two
for the
cups.
baby, yes, you call it cups.
Cups.
Okay.
Oh, 2 cups.
In average, okay. Usually they will give birth for two
Two cups.
cups, but
Okay.
maybe it can be more or less than that.
Okay.
Okay, so that's all
About.
the fact about polar bear. So now we're gonna do the craft.
Okay.
Okay, so we want you to prepare this blue paper, okay? And then write down your name. And
I will take the
what? Pencil.
marker, right?
Yes.
You need marker, right?
So I'm gonna take pencil and I'm gonna write down my name. Alright, I'm done. Now, all you have to do is, so I'm gonna use my right hand. So I'm gonna dip my hand,
Like this, right?
yes, into this
White.
white paint because,
White paint.
okay, so I'm gonna
No. This one. This one. Okay. Like this, right? The paper. Okay.
So usually your thumbs will be go down here, okay? So it's like this, so you're going to do like this. Okay. My hands is really bad. So I'm gonna give like cannot give a little tail.
This one.
No? No.
The head. Is it okay?
Okay, so I'm going to wash my hand, and then Miss Tia will draw the cloth. And also the polar bear has a super long claws. Miss Tia.
Long?
Long claws. Claws.
Long claws. Okay.
So for the eyes and the nose and the mouth, I think you should wait until it's dry, okay? For the feet, for the claws, you can draw it using markers like this. And for the eyes, mouth and nose, wait until the paint dry, okay? And then you can draw the eyes, the mouth and the nose. Okay, so later we are going to give the final picture of this polar bear,
Yes.
so you can see how does it looks like. Okay. Alright, so make sure you watch this video and do the worksheet, and I'll see you on the next video.